Dahil Holy Week ngayon, dito kami sa aming munting kubo. Yun yung boss. Boss, what are you doing, boss? You sleep? Where you go? What? Kukuha daw siya ng kanyang snack. You want snack? Dito nagpipintura kami ng aming munting speaker dahil naluluma na. Tambay lang dito, pahinga isang araw, bukas biyahe na naman. What's that? Okay, tell your mommy. Yeah. Shh. Shh.
Is that your friend?
Yeah. You not
Why is
Not-
flexing that?
not
You
here.
You?
you not hear me?
What's that name?
That's Tiki.
Kiki?
Yeah. Call your Ate Bina, you go there.
No, I need to stay here, pa.
You take a bath na? Stinky na?
I really think what?
You eat lunch na?
Pa.
Why do not eat?
The lunch is this one.
That's not for lunch.
Then I'll come down. This. Okay.
Okay guys, ayun ganap namin ngayon dito.